Yo. Want some glue, you know?
Okay.
It's mysterious. I think I found my own way.
So many pretty colors. What is going on, guys? Infinite Lists here, and we are going to be doing a crazy challenge that I thought up of. I went to the dollar store and made a $40 purchase, but yeah, we got all different colors. This is silly string. What we're gonna do is fill up this bathtub with silly string. Hopefully it will fill the whole way through, and just gonna swim in it. Let's do it.
What's that?
Okay.
You. How's it going?
Really good, you know, about halfway. Look what we have, it's almost filled! Just kidding. I can't open this one. Yay! You think I can do it?
No.
No?
No. Okay.
Yeah.
Gross.
Alright guys, so we just filled the tub. We have one more though. So let's just do the last one. That was supposed to be a heart, by the way.
It is a heart.
It is.
Yes.
Looks more like a butt.
You look like a butt.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, the tub is not completely filled, obviously. I did not really think that these were going to be not as full as they were, but you know, filled it pretty good, I guess. So yeah, it did fail. I did want to like swim in like a bunch of silly string, but not quite swimmable. Now what I want to do is make the biggest giant silly string ball. So what I'm going to do is just grab a bunch of silly string, make a ball, compact it, you know, and have fun with that. So let's do it. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Oh, look at it's like.
I really want to sit in it.
Oh, ew! Look at this. Look at how like I can literally fold it. Look at this. No way! I'm literally
It's a silly
just
hat,
rolling it. Ew! That is so gross. Oh my god.
Ew, it's a colorful poop.
Oh, it's so wet and moist.
Wait, can you hold it up?
It's so gross. Guys, look how wet this is. It's literally dripping. Ew! Yo. Oh my gosh. This is disgusting. But it feels really cool at the same time, guys. Can I throw it at you? Look at this. That is disgusting.
Good. Ew, it looks like you just ripped a heart out of a unicorn. Oh, it's so close to your mouth, I'm disgusted. Try throwing it at the wall.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drop it, see what happens. Ready for this? Oh, that is solid. Look at this, guys.
That's really good.
Oh my gosh, that actually looks so cool. Let's flip it inside out so it's not. That's sick. That's so colorful, actually.
That's good.
The most disgusting thing.
Ew.
Survey string.
Ew!
Look how much is dripping. Like, look down there. That is
Seriously.
pure silly string fluids. 100,000 likes and I'll drink it. 100,000 likes, drop a like. Ew, look at this. Look at my hand.
It's all foamy.
Oh my god. Let's just throw it at the wall real quick. And yay!
The market left.
And yay! I just made a wig. Look how cool this looks. Yo.
That would be an actual really cool thumbnail.
Ready? I'm gonna cut the wig. Yeah! Oh!
Ew. Ew.
Oh, this is like green fluids. Thank you guys for watching. That was kind of a fail, but let me know if you guys want any other crazy like challenge videos or something like that, because I liked doing that wobble bubble video and you guys seem to really like that. I'm getting a lot more wobble bubbles pretty soon, so drop a like. Let's try to get 5,000 likes. And yeah guys, this should be it. Make sure you're subscribed. Let's get that 1 mil. Yeah guys, I will see you guys later. Peace.
Ew, it looks like you pooped it.
Alright, later.